Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito, bringing the power of umami to your table. When you combine kombu and bonito, umami becomes up to 8 times stronger. Science proves this. Today, we are tasting it. Let's begin. Here we have A. Kombu Dashi, B. Bonito Dashi, C. Kombu plus bonito together. Let's test them one by one. Very gentle, soft, calm. It's round, subtle. Strong aroma, sharper, but on its own, it's actually lighter than you expect. That's different. The depth changes completely. It becomes layered, almost dimensional. This is umami synergy. Kombu contains glutamate. Bonito contains inosmate. When these two meet, they activate your umami receptors much more strongly. This isn't addition, it's multiplication. The strongest umami perception happiness when glutamate and inosmate are in a 1-to-1 ratio. Compared to tasting them alone, the intensity can increase up to 7 to 8 times. That's why traditional Japanese dashi works so well. This is also why Japanese food doesn't rely on heavy salt. Instead of adding more sodium, it increases satisfaction through umami. Less salt, more depth. And it's not just Japan. Tomatoes with cheese, meat with vegetables, mushrooms with chicken stock. The same formula appears everywhere. Glutamate times nuclear ties. That's the equation. Japanese cuisine is not accidental. It's engineered flavor. Next time you make soup, think about what you are combining. Because inside the bowl, there's science. I'm Dr. Bonito. Have a flavorful day.